Adult learning isn't just about content, it's about connection. That's why social and collaborative learning platforms are reshaping education. They turn learning from a solo activity into a shared experience. And for adult learners, that makes all the difference. So, what are these platforms? They're tools that enable interaction, peer discussion, group work, real time feedback, and community support. Think forums, live sessions, group chats, shared workspaces, and social features built into your LMS. Why do they work? Because adults bring experience and want to learn from others who do too. They thrive on relevance, dialogue, and real-world connection. Social learning taps into this by making the learning process collaborative, reflective, and community-driven. It boosts motivation through shared goals. It deepens understanding through discussion. It builds confidence through peer support. Collaborative learning platforms also help educators scale mentorship and support. One facilitator can guide many conversations while learners support one another. So how do you use them effectively? First, set clear expectations. Define how learners should engage, respond, and collaborate. Create norms for respectful, productive dialogue. Second, design meaningful interactions. Ask open-ended questions. Pose real-world problems for discussion. Use group challenges or case studies. Third, foster psychological safety. Make it okay to be wrong, to ask questions and to learn out loud. Model vulnerability and curiosity. Fourth, blend async and real-time. Use a mix of live discussions, breakout rooms, message boards, and shared documents. This accommodates busy adult schedules. Fifth, recognize contributions. Celebrate helpful feedback, thoughtful insights, and collaborative wins. This keeps engagement high and builds a positive learning culture. Social learning isn't just about chat. It's about transformation through community. It reminds adults that they're not alone. And that learning isn't just more powerful with others, it's more human. Because in the end, content informs, but connection transforms.